Introducing Craft a Flower Daisy Spray. In the lower left, you'll see the cardstocks used to create the images shown on the layering guide. On the inside, you can get a look at the dies that will be included with your set. And on the front, you can see an image of a project you could create. We'll get started with the single stem using the larger triangle. We'll align piece 1, and then we'll align piece 2. Next, we'll align the triangle piece for the center. We'll align the outline piece to cover the triangle. And finally, we'll align the finished detail piece. Next, we'll begin with a 4-piece stem. We'll align the keyhole flower 1. Next, we'll align the snowman flower number 1. We'll align the triangle flower number 1 and the arrow flower number 1. Next, we'll go through and repeat the process for the keyhole number 2, the snowman shape number 2, triangle shape number 2, arrow shape number 2. Next, we'll begin with the shape, so the keyhole shape, then the snowman shape for the center, the triangle shape for the center, and the arrow shape for the center. Next, we will use the outline of these shapes to cover these shapes. So for the keyhole, the snowman, the triangle, and the arrow. Next, we will add the detail piece. This will go along the bottom or the top, depending on which petal. So for this one, it will be the bottom, and this one, it will be the left-hand side if your flower arrangement is in the same orientation as mine. Keep that in mind when you're layering together your Craft a Flower Daisy Spray. Coming up, we have some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft a Flower Daisy Spray and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.